Hello everyone, my name is Ray Watton and I am a productivity evangelist and automation specialist. I'm always obsessed to the idea of getting more things done in less time, and I'm helping coaches and consultants in a way of building systems for them so they can optimize their time and their income and live on their terms. So in this video, I'm going to show you an exact a certain system. There's a system wherein you can automate everything. You can automate your LinkedIn outreach. So you can send out 150 maximum daily connection requests by just spending around 5 minutes of your time each day or less. So without much ado, so here is the exact process. Number one is to use Sales Navigator to search for profiles. So you must have Sales Navigator account to perform this system. Number two is you're going to use a LinkedIn automation tool, which I will be showing to you shortly. And you have to you have to collect your second and third degree contacts. Then you have to set up your first note or your first message, and then use the automation tool to invite up to 150 maximum profiles every 24 hours. So for those who have just started, I advise you to start at 60 and repeat the process. So here's the exact thing. So in your Sales Navigator account, all you have to do is to perform a search of the people that you wanted to connect. So in my case, I have already some saved search to save us time. So I'm using a keyword coach or consultant, coach and consultant. And then I have here the relationship. Relationship, you must use second degree and third degree. Okay. And then for geography, let's say, for example, I am going to search for people who are in Boston. Okay, for geography, let me add Boston. Okay, Boston, Massachusetts. And then for title, I'm going to add coach or consultant. So it can be, it's either the word coach or consultant is included. So either way, either of these words is present. So it's included in the search because I'm using the Boolean operation, the or. Okay. So and then it displays here there are around 222 results, and around 60 people of 60 out of them, 60 of them have posted on LinkedIn in the past 30 days. Okay. Let's say for example I'm going to perform this search. Okay. So let's say I'll just connect to these people who have posted in the past 30 days. So as you can see here, these are the people. So all you have to do is there is instead of using tags, instead of saving this. So here is the magic of this automation of this system. So the tool that I'm using is what we call a LinkedIn helper. Okay. So all you have to do is you go to the main menu, and actually there are lots of options here. So in order to send connection requests to your second degree and third degree connections, you just choose collect, select, and invite second and third degree contacts. Okay. There's a tutorial. Okay, I'm going to skip that. And then so here there are options here: collect, message, invite. Okay. So first thing to do is to collect. So the first thing that you need to do is to collect contacts. So here's how to collect the contacts. Okay. First, you need to create a new list. So for example, Boston. So thanks, Boston. Name it Boston. Boston, Massachusetts. Okay, create. So all you have to do is just press this collect contacts. Collect contacts for inviting, and LinkedIn will just this automation tool will do the thing for you. So as you notice, so here's the automation tool. So you can see my mouse here. So as you can see, it's collecting now the contacts. So there are already 50 collected. Okay, 60. So you can also view the collected. As you can see here, you can actually you can review, you can remove. For example, if you want to delete selected, so there are options here. So these are the 60 people that you are going to connect, that you have collected. Okay, just press close. So now we are going to specify the message. So for this, I'm going to use a certain, I have a, sorry, template that I'm going to use. So the message is, I'm going to write down here, okay, a first name. So just replace this name with a field first name. See, okay. Save and close. So here's the example. Hey Bill, I noticed that you're a consultant or coach. I'd like to know more about what you do and see if we can work together. If you're open, please accept warmly. Okay, your name. So there you are. So you have already collected the contacts. There are around 60 of them. Then there's already the message set up. And the next thing to do is to send the invite. Okay, invite. So this is the process. This is the process. Actually, those are the processes. So I think it won't. Um, 5 minutes is already is enough to set up that process. So right now you can go to invite and you can start profiles inviting and you can go to sleep actually. So there, as you notice, it's okay. As you notice that I haven't touched anything. The mouse is there, but as you can see, it's running. It's like imitating the actual behavior of a person. The thing is here, this one is it's like an automation tool, and it's like imitating your or what humans can do. So actually, it takes time. This automation or this process will take time. But the good thing is it runs on autopilot, so uh, you don't have to go there. So as you notice, it is sending a note. So it's sending our note and on our message, the message that we were setting up. So as you can see, so it's running. So you can see, then as you can see, there's the next action to click done will be done in 5 seconds from now. Okay, see, so it's now sending a connection request to, as you can see here, invited in the current period, we have 1 in queue 59. Okay, see. So the next action will be done in the next 58 seconds. So here, 36 is 35 seconds right now. So basically, you can that's how you can set up the invite. So if you are running this system, if you are running this on autopilot, you can actually go to sleep. You can go out while your system is running for you, or you can just go to another tab. Just make sure that you don't minimize this browser and it's still working. For example, I'm going to do another tab here. Okay, just make sure that it's not being minimized, and it will uh, it will still do the job for you. So as you notice that even if I'm opening a new tab here, I'm working another tab here, but still it's working on it. Okay. So well, that's it. So let me pause this video so that I can show you more. Okay, welcome back. I just stopped the inviting process because I would like to answer some of the frequently asked questions. So some of the questions are, how about those profiles that that I've already connected or having a pending request? So yeah, there are those profiles. Well, the good thing is, as you noticed here, while you are, if you are going to search for the profiles um, on LinkedIn, okay, let's say for example, okay, if I'm going to search coach and consultant, okay, Boston, Massachusetts. Let's say, for example, I am going to search for first degree connections. Oh, there are no. So I just, example, just in the US alone, United States. So there, I have 123 connections. 96 of them have posted on LinkedIn in the past 30 days. So if I am going to use this tool and yeah, this one, if I'm going to send, press collect, what happens is, so as you noticed, nothing is added. So still there are 58 because this function is only for second and third degree connections. So you see, and for those uh, whom you have a pending connection request, what happens is this tool will, or is program, it will skip those profiles whom you have a pending connection. So that's the thing. Now the question is, the other thing is, will I get blocked because I have so many pending requests? And what other things I can do and automate? So here's the thing. In this option, or in this tool, there is an option called my my invites canceller. So what are these my invites canceller? So these are the people, or this in this function, because if, for example, if you are sending out connection requests to 150 people every day, so this will be a lot. After 1 week, after 2 weeks, there will be lots of those who have not connected back. So all you have to do is to use this my invites canceller to cancel your invites starting from the oldest invites. So if you go to the invites page, so as you can see, I have sent, so far I have sent to 340 people. Okay. Now, if I wanted to cancel this, so 340, here, how many last invites should be kept? So if I put there 200, so it means that it will cancel those 140 of the oldest invites. So there's nothing to worry if ever you have sent so many requests, so you can cancel. So I advise that you should do the cancellation once in every 2 weeks. Okay. So that's it. So if I'm going to press cancel invites, it will just automatically run the cancellation process. But this time I don't need to cancel the invites because I have only invited 340 people so far. So what else can you automate? As you can see, there are profiles auto visitor, there are profiles auto follower. I love this. And yeah, you can also message to recently added connections. You can also do that. But I rarely do it because what I'm doing is whenever these people connected back to me, what happens is I am going to get into a real conversation with them. So I don't usually use that. So you can also email, but I'm not using this. So this one is a good thing. Endorse my contacts. So if you are going to, this is a very cool feature to that you can use in order to get more uh, get get more endorsements from other people by endorsing them. So Collect contacts. All you have to do is the steps are collect, then endorse. So collect contacts for endorsing. So let's say there are so many options here. I see, I think I am going to choose go to list who viewed my profile. Okay, and then, um, okay, there's my contacts, collect contacts there. So I have collected 16, okay, 17. Okay, let's just stop for at this, let's just stop at this point. So if I'm going to view collected, so these are the people who have viewed my profile. So what I'm doing is, let's close this. So since I have already collected the contacts, the next thing is to endorse. So just just leave this, and then just click endorse my contacts. And you can see, so here's what happened. So this automation tool is endorsing my contacts. So, well, this is a system that I'm showing to you. What's the benefit of this system is that it can save you lots of your time. So instead of spending so many hours each day, 2 hours, 3 hours, I know some guys are I know some guys, some business owners spending around 6 hours, 5 hours each day just to search for people and send out connection requests, which is so very hard and difficult. So if you can do this automation system, all you have to do is just 5 minutes or less of your time every day. Just run the system and the system will do the connection request for you. So the time that you can save instead of doing it, instead of spending it for the connection process, all you can do is you can make use of it to build the relationships, get into these people into real conversation, providing value, and yeah, closing them into clients. So let me know if you have some questions. Just drop your comment below, and I hope that this is helpful. Stay tuned, and yeah, I wish you more success in your business. Thank you.